Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be cooking some cabbage with bacon and sausage. It's going to be delicious, so get ready. All right, so let's get started. I've already chopped up my cabbage. I've already cooked my bacon. So I'm just gonna make this cabbage a little bit smaller than it is now. So I'm gonna have some small pieces. So I'm just gonna chop it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to put it in my skillet that I already have the sausage cooked in. Sausage is already cooked. Okay, so this is ready. All right, so I'm going to transfer over to the stove, and we'll continue from there. Okay, as you can see, I've got some butter melting in this pot. That's a half a cup of butter, which is 4 tablespoons of butter that I'm going to melt in this pot before I put in my cabbage. Let me just go over here and grab my cabbage. Oh, that butter is melting. Grab my cabbage. I'm going to grab my bacon. Okay, I've got my bacon here. And I'm going to start with adding my cabbage first. I'm just going to cut this bacon up into a few smaller pieces before I add it in there. Okay. All right, so I did that now. Here we go. We're going to add the cabbage. Add it slowly. You're going to have to put the top on top of this so it can cook down. Once it cooks down, then I'll be able to stir it. So I need it to cook down first. I'm going to put some more butter in on top. It's like a bad piece right there. Throw that away. I'm going to add my bacon last. So I've got another stick of butter. I'm going to do just half of it. This time I'm going to slice it. Smaller pieces. Put it right on top. Okay, now I'm going to grab my top that I'm going to be using for this. If I can find it, I got some new pots in my cabinet. And they're all just all over the place. I still got to find a top that fits this skillet. Normally I use my saucepan, but I'm not using that today. So, got to find a top that will fit. Sorry for all that noise. This is a top that will probably fit. Yes, it will. Okay, so we're just going to let that cook down on medium-low. And I'm going to add some water, maybe. Just depends on how well it's going to cook. We'll see. All right, we'll be back in a few minutes to check on the progress. Okay, we're ready to check our cabbage and see how much progress it's making. So I've got my handle here. All right, so it looks good. It's cooking down. I stirred it a couple times. and it's looking good. So now we're ready to add our bacon. You just add the bacon in there and stir that up. And I think it's going to need some pepper too. So this fried cabbage is going to be so good because it's fried in butter. And I just added like maybe a couple of, like a quarter cup of water to this pot. But you don't have to use water. And I started out with olive oil to brown the sausage. So there's a little bit of olive oil in there as well. But just a little. That's enough to brown the sausage and whatever was left over in the pan, as you saw at the beginning of the video. Okay, so the bacon is stirred in there well. Now, like I said, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to this, and it's practically ready to go. Grab my pepper. Okay, that's enough pepper. Stir it again. One more stir. I'm going to put the top on it and let it cook a little bit longer until it gets just a little bit softer. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and as always, bon appetit. I'm not showing my face today because my hair is jacked up, so I'm not showing my face today on this video. Alrighty, but you guys know what I look like. Check out some of my other videos and you'll see what I look like. Bye.